Tragedy in Vietnam. Rainstorms, floods and landslides caused by Typhoon Yagi have killed 26 people and injured more than 200. Mr. Nguyen Hoang Hiep, an official of the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development of Vietnam, said that as of 11 a.m. on September 9, rainstorms, floods and landslides had killed 26 people and injured more than 200 people. Typhoon Yagi is the largest typhoon in the past 30 years in the East Sea, and in 2024 alone, the world has recorded the strongest windstorm to date. Therefore, when it made landfall in Vietnam, it caused extremely severe damage. Indeed, after the storm dissipated, heavy rains poured down on the northern provinces of the country. In Lao Cai province, the provincial government has declared a state of emergency to mobilize resources to prevent floods. Heavy rains after the storm have continued continuously in recent days, causing a landslide that swept into 4 households in Phin Chai Tu village. According to initial verification, the landslide occurred at around 3 a.m. on September 9, leaving 7 people missing. Local authorities are mobilizing forces to participate in the search and rescue of the victims. Given the complicated developments of floods and natural disasters due to the impact of the storm, on the morning of September 9, the chairman of Lao Cai province declared a natural disaster emergency, mobilizing resources to respond to and overcome the consequences of natural disasters. In Phu Tho province, the Phong Chau Bridge across the Red River in Phu Tho collapsed in 2 spans in the middle of the river, causing many people and vehicles to fall into the river. At least 3 people were rescued as of 11 a.m. on September 9. The Phong Chau Bridge collapsed at around 10 a.m. on September 9. At the time of the incident, the bridge was still open to traffic. The local authorities are currently coordinating with functional forces to search for the remaining victims. The Phong Chau Bridge across the Red River connects Lam Thao District and Tam Nong District. The bridge has a steel structure, is nearly 380 meters long, and was inaugurated in July 1995. In Quang Ninh Province, the Dong Hai Dike in Tien Nhân District, Quang Ninh Province broke, causing water to flood into residential areas. The Wan Mo border gate in Binh Lu District was deeply flooded. At 10:10 a.m. on September 9, the Quang Ninh Provincial Hydrometeorological Station issued a warning of thunderstorms, lightning, hail and localized heavy rain in the area, which could cause trees to fall, damage houses, constructions and means of transport, as well as infrastructure, endangering human life, livestock and crops. Also in Quang Ninh Province, a 300-ton crane that could not withstand the destructive force of Typhoon Yagi collapsed, damaging many properties of the Ha Long Shipbuilding Company. When Typhoon Yagi made landfall, a crane was knocked down into the workshop of Ha Long Shipbuilding Company, breaking the workshop building in half. Fortunately, there were no casualties. A worker of Ha Long Shipbuilding Company recounted that the moment the 300-ton crane fell, it made a noise like a bomb exploding. When the crane shook violently, everyone tried to run as fast as possible. Fortunately, after that, according to statistics, no one was injured. If you find it interesting, please reward me by subscribing to the channel. Turn on all notifications. The bell icon is ringing to receive the latest videos from the Climate Change channel.